Imagine a keyboard that shrinks your desk footprint without shrinking your productivity. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, the Keychron K2 version 2 steps up to that challenge, promising a compact, yet fully functional experience that might just change how you interact with your computer. This isn't just another mechanical keyboard. It's a thoughtfully engineered piece of tech designed for versatility. The 75% layout is a stroke of genius, giving you all the essential shortcut and arrow keys without the bulk of a full-sized board. It feels incredibly efficient, making your workspace feel cleaner and more focused. The inclined bottom frame is a subtle but significant detail, making long typing sessions surprisingly comfortable, even if you don't use a palm rest. Underneath those elegant keycaps, you'll find Keychron K Pro brown switches. These deliver a truly satisfying tactile bump with every press, providing that classic mechanical feedback without being overly loud. It's a joy to type on, whether you're drafting emails, coding, or just chatting. And with a 50 million keystroke lifespan, this keyboard is built to be a long-term companion. Connectivity is where the K2 truly shines. Equipped with the latest Broadcom Bluetooth 5.1 chipset, it effortlessly pairs with up to 3 devices. Think your smartphone, laptop, and iPad, and switching between them is a breeze. For those moments when you need absolute reliability or want to game without any wireless latency, the USB Type-C wired mode is right there. This dual-mode capability makes it a true workhorse for any setup. Battery life is another area where the K2 impresses. Its massive 4000 mAh battery can power through up to 72 hours of continuous typing, or last a full 7 days of normal use, assuming 8 hours a day. That's exceptional for a mechanical keyboard and means less time tethered to a charger. Keychron has also gone the extra mile for Mac users. The K2 boasts a unique Mac layout with all the necessary function keys, and it even includes extra keycaps for both Mac and Windows operating systems, ensuring seamless compatibility no matter your preference. The charming white LED backlight isn't just for show. It makes typing in dim environments much easier, and you can even set it to a static white mode for a clean, consistent look. In wired mode, you get N-key rollover for ultimate accuracy, while wireless mode offers a solid 6-key rollover. This means every keystroke registers, which is crucial for both fast typists and light gamers. Overall, the Keychron K2 version 2 is a remarkably well-rounded mechanical keyboard. It's compact without compromise, robust in its build, and incredibly versatile in its functionality. For anyone seeking a premium typing experience that adapts to their multi-device lifestyle, this keyboard is an outstanding choice.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.